Hello everyone, welcome to Love Max. I am Nityavati. Today we are going to see about the cylinder. What is cylinder? Total surface area, lateral surface area and the volume. Okay. First you have to see the cylinder. This is shape is cylinder. It is looking like a circle. So from the center to this edge, it is called a radius. This will be the cylinder height. So we have to find out the formula now. So first we have to find the CSA, that means LSA or CSA, lateral surface area of a cylinder. Lateral surface area of a cylinder. Lateral surface area means you clearly knowing that you have to leave the top and bottom. So we have to take as the center space only. Is it clear? For example, this is looking like this is the cylinder shape. So you have to leave this top and bottom. You have to take the in between what is there. Okay. So what we have to do, the cylinder is made up of the rectangle. Cylinder is made up of the rectangle. This sheet will be the rectangle. How to make the cylinder? Just fold into the paper. Just fold the paper. See this is looking like now it is the cylinder. It is the cylinder. You just leave the top and bottom. First, okay, this is rectangle means this area and lateral surface area will be the equal. So rectangle lateral surface rectangle area is L into B. Okay, so this is the length, this is the length, this is the breadth. If you folding like this breadth will be the height of the cylinder. The breadth will be the height of the cylinder. So the B we consider as height. B we consider as height. This is the length. Okay, this will be the length. If you fold the paper like a cylinder, the length is made up of, here it is the circle. Circle, circumference. Circle, circumference. So length is made up of circle, circumference. What is circle, circumference? We are knowing clearly that is 2 pi r. Already one h is there. So LSA of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. All the 4 are in multiplication. The meaning is 2 into pi into r into h square units. Okay. Is it clear? It is very easy. Don't want to memory. The cylinder made up of rectangle. If your rectangle is L into B, the breadth will be here follow as a height. Then this L made up of here as a circle circumference. What is circle circumference? That is called the, we are knowing clearly what is circle circumference, that is the 2 pi r. So this is the CSA formula. Next we are going to see about LSA. So that is LSA or CSA, lateral surface or curved surface. Next we are going to take up a total surface area of a cylinder. Total surface area means we should add top and bottom and the center too. Okay, it is the cylinder. It is the cylinder. Now we are find out this is curved surface area. We just neglect this area and this. Looking this is what shape? Circle. This also what shape? Circle. So this is area is what? Pi r square. This area also what? Pi r square. That only we have to add. Okay. So in this one, so this center will be 2 pi r h. Top 1 pi r square plus center is 2 pi r h plus bottom is 1 pi r square. 1 pi r square plus 1 pi r square is called 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. In this two term, which is the common? 2 is common. Pi also common. Here r squared means the meaning is r into r. So r also common. So what will be the remaining? 2 I am taking outside. Pi also, r also, 2 r, 1 r I am taking, remain is 1 r. Plus 2 pi r I take outside, remaining is h. This is the total surface area. 2 pi r into r plus h, otherwise 2 pi r into h plus r. This also square units. Next, volume. We know clearly volume of a cylinder. Volume formula is what? Base area into height. Base area into height. Here what is the base? This is the base. Base is circle shape. So circle area is what? Pi r squared into h. So this is the formula, pi r squared h. This is the volume. This is cubic units. Okay, is it clear? I hope you are understand because it's very easy. Cylinder is made up of the rectangle. Cylinder is made up of the rectangle. Based on the rectangle, we have to find cylinder value. Then that total surface area means you add top and bottom. So remaining volume means base area into height. This is very important. How to find the volume? What are the shapes? We have to base this area and this height means we can find out how much inside space is there. How much we can put inside this space we find out, that is the volume. So that is the formula. Is it clear? Based on the formula we have to try to solve few sums, 1 or 2 sums now. Just see the sums, how to solve. Now I am taking in this cylinder, R value is 7 centimeter, H is 14 centimeter. So you have to find LSA, TSA and volume. Let us find. First write the given. What is given? R is equal to 7 centimeter and H is equal to 14 centimeter. First write the formula LSA of a cylinder. Okay, what is LSA formula? We are knowing clearly. Lateral surface area, that is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. So 2 into pi value is what? 22 by 7 into r value is 7 and h value is 14. Now we have to cancel. The 1 7 and 1 7 is cancelled. What is the remaining? 2 into 22? 44 into 14. So 44 into 14, what it should come? You just multiply this. 4 4s are 16, remaining 1, 16 1 7, then 4 4, 16 1 6. So 616 centimeter square. This is the LSA. Next we have to find the TSA, total surface area of a cylinder. Total surface area, what is the formula? 2 pi r into h plus r. Okay, 2 into 22 by 7 into r value is what? 7 into h is what? 14 plus r is what? 7. So this 7 7 cancel. 2 into 22 is 44. This bracket meaning is into only. 14 plus 7 is 21. 14 plus 7 is 21. Now you should multiply this. What you got? 4 12 9. So 924 centimeter square. 924 centimeter square. Okay, next we have to find the volume of a cylinder. What is the formula? Pi r square h. Pi value 22 by 7. R squared means you should write R 2 times. You should write R 2 times. So R value is 7 into 7. H is 14. This 7 and this 7 is cancelled. So 22. 7 into 14. How much? You just want to write 22 is the 98. Okay, so in these two you just multiply, you can get the answer. Still remaining 1, 18 1 also 19. Again also 2 only. So adding this you can get the answer. So 2 1 5 6, this is the volume, so centimeter cube. That's all. Is it clear, children? Okay, just you have to know the formula, means everything is very easy. I hope you are understand. Please don't memory the formula. Understand the formula. It is very helpful to you. Thank you.